Welcome back to Stories and Animals of Paradise. So, right now, I want us to talk about the phases of our slogans and mission statements as we've moved to being a brand and where we are today. So when we first created Animals of Paradise, the slogan was "All animals go to paradise." And that was a way, and initially it was for me to put that everybody that would order for us will get their unique animal of choice on the sleeve here on one of the first prototypes that was ever made in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And that didn't actually work out, but all animals go to paradise, I'm saying that your own inner animal will allow you to go wherever you want it to go. And so that was kind of how all animals go to paradise slogan came about and the idea behind it. Previously, this is also going into the Return of Extinction collection, but during that time the new slogan was called Made by the Journey. And why do I say Made by the Journey? Animals of Paradise, Made by the Journey. A lot of people that wear Animals of Paradise and that purchase it and then invest inside of it, they're living in different countries and different continents, and they enjoy looking good, they enjoy the quality, and also they understand that wherever they go around the world that they are made by a journey, and the journey makes them. So that is why we said Made by the Journey. So Animals of Paradise, Made by the Journey. At that particular time, when I was designing things for Animals of Paradise, it was so that, it was made for being on a journey. If you look at the Return of Extinction collection, the hoodie, the 3 or the 2 entry levels of those editions, but we'll get into that. And so now we are here today in 2021. Our new slogan is a step into sustainable luxury. Now, what does that mean? So that means that as a brand, and we are stepping into the field of sustainability, and we're also stepping separately into the side of luxury, and we're putting those two together, okay? And definitely you can go and find out what we talk about our goals for sustainability at Animals of Paradise. And so these are the slogans where we come up so far at Animals of Paradise. And so, like always, I'd like to thank you for taking your time to watch this, and welcome back to Animals of Paradise.